All right, let's get you more details of the row in Maharashtra. Currently, the big political row with remarks on Tipu Sultan. Now, the controversy began after the Maharashtra Congress President Harshvardhan Sapkal compared Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj with Tipu Sultan, calling Tipu a great warrior and a true son of India. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis hit back sharply, terming the comparison highly condemnable and warning that equating Shivaji Maharaj with Tipu Sultan will not be tolerated. Meanwhile, in Malegaon, Deputy Mayor Shane-Hind defended keeping Tipu Sultan's portrait in her office and adding fuel to the fire. AIMM Chief Saduddin Owaisi has now entered the debate, calling Tipu a martyr who fought the British, contrasting him with Veer Savarkar. Meanwhile, a complaint has been filed against the Maharashtra Congress chief in Pune over his statement.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं शौर्य ज्या पद्धतीचं आहे आणि एक स्वराज्य नावाचा त्यांनी जो ज्या पद्धतीने एक विचार दिला आहे, अगदी त्यांच्याच मांडियाळीमध्ये त्यांच्यानंतर त्यांच्या बऱ्याच कालावधी लोटल्यानंतर त्यांचा आदर्श घेऊन टिपू सुलतान यांनी इंग्रजांच्या विरोधात कुठेतरी लढा पुकारला होता आणि त्या अर्थानं टिपू सुलतान हे एक शौर्य गाजवणारे एक योद्धे होऊन गेले, एक भारताचे भूमिपुत्र होऊन गेले. त्यांनी कधी कुठल्याही विखारी विचारांना त्यांनी जवळ केलं नाही. तर एक शौर्याचं लक्षण म्हणून टिपू सुलतानांना आपण शिवाजी महाराजांच्या समकक्ष बघितलं पाहिजे.
Well, after a huge backlash in Maharashtra, the Congress chief did issue a clarification over his remarks. But as we said, Devendra Fadnavis did hit out. Let's take a look at all those statements.
मूळ मला जो प्रश्न विचारला होता त्या प्रश्नाच्या अनुषंगानं माझं वक्तव्य आहे. त्या वक्तव्याला तोड मरोडून त्याला दाखवण्याचा जो प्रयत्न केला जातोय तो निंदनीय आहे. मी चर्चेला तयार आहे. जो प्रश्न विचारला होता त्या उत्तराच्या अनुषंगाने माझं विधान आहे. शिवाजी महाराजांचा जाज्वल्य स्वरूपाचा जो पराक्रम आहे तो अद्वितीय आहे.
कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष हर्षवर्धन सपकाळ ने जिस प्रकार से छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की तुलना टिप्पू सुल्तान के साथ की है, हम इसकी निंदा करते हैं. उनको शर्म आनी चाहिए. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जिन्होंने मुगलों के साथ लड़ाई करके स्वराज्य का निर्माण किया और हजारों हिंदुओं को कत्ल करने वाला टिप्पू सुल्तान, वो और महाराज, इनको एक समान आदर दिया जाए, इस प्रकार की बात अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है तो वोटों के लालच में ये कितने भी जूते चाटे, महाराष्ट्र और देश इसको सहन नहीं करेगा.
1999 में टीपू सुल्तान की शहादत हुई. अंग्रेजों से लड़कर टीपू की शहादत हुई. जेल में बैठकर टीपू तुम्हारे वीर की तरह 6 लव लेटर नहीं लिखा अंग्रेजों को मैं माफ कर दो, तुम जो बोले मैं करता हूं. टीपू तलवार लेकर अपने मुल्क को अंग्रेजों से आजाद कराने के लिए शहीद हो गया और अंग्रेजों को टीपू से इतना डर था. गांधी ने अपनी यंग एज मैगजीन में लिखा कि टीपू सुल्तान वॉज द एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी. यानी वो टीपू सुल्तान हिंदू और मुसलमानों में मोहब्बत का यज्जाई था.
All right, so that's the big political controversy in Maharashtra. To talk more about this and, the fallout with a case also being filed against the Maharashtra Congress chief, we're now joined by R.P. Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP, Professor Geeta Bhatt, political analyst, someone who supports the BJP, and Waris Pathan, a national spokesperson of the AIMIM. We'll also be joined by Tehseen Poonawalla, political analyst who supports the Congress party. First to you, R.P. Singh, does the BJP believe any comparison involving Shivaji Maharaj is unacceptable, or is this specifically to do with historical figures like Tipu Sultan?
Well, whom are you comparing with? A tyrant on whose sword it was written, "My sword is for killing infidels." On his sword it was inscribed. So you're comparing Tipu Sultan with Chhatrapati Shivaji is obnoxious. But let me just quote few letters. I mean, because my friends from other parties have been saying that he was a patriot, he was the one who fought against the Britishers.
Well,
In letter dated
that is not
22nd March,
contestable, yes.
yeah, can I complete?
Sure.
In a letter dated 22nd March 1788 to Abdul Qadir, one of his courtiers, he wrote that over 12,000 Hindus were honored with Islam. There were many Namudris, bracket Brahmins. Among them, the achievements should be widely publicized among the Hindus. There, the local Hindus should be brought before you and then converted to Islam. Well, this is, he's writing in 22nd March 1788. Another letter, 14 December 1788, to the army chief of Calicut. I'm sending 2 of my followers with Mr. Mir Hussain Ali, with their assistance. You should capture and kill all Hindus. And those below 20 may be kept in the prison, and 5,000 from the rest should be killed by hanging from the tree tops. That's my order. I mean, that's what he's saying. That's my order. The sequence of 5 letters which I have with me, which are different written at different times to different people, like to...
All right, but he was an 18th century ruler. He was a wartime ruler as well. There were areas in Kerala and Coorg, and it was more to do with regional. That's what historians believe, and many of those that he warred against were also supporting the British. So and historians do believe he was one of the first rulers to really take on the British. Tehseen Poonawalla also joining us. But Geeta Bhatt, is it fair to time and again, drag these historical figures? Is it into politics? Okay, Tehseen, first I want to come across to you also, Tehseen. But this remark that was made, R.P. Singh, I'll come back to you. But one second, let's talk about the politics now. Does the Congress officially endorse this view of Harshvardhan Sapkal, this comparison between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Tipu Sultan?
Thank you so much for having me on the show. Good evening to you, to all my fellow panelists. Absolutely not. What rubbish, what nonsense. I'm from the land of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was the greatest king ever to have been born in India, the most valorous king. There may be... You may find some qualities in all other kings, including Tipu Sultan. But how can you compare it to? Did my Chhatrapati ever convert anybody? R.P. Singh ji is there, Professor Geeta Bhatt is there. Did my Chhatrapati ever rape women? Or plunder temples or mosques? What rubbish! There's no comparison between the two. But
so did the party misjudge? So clearly it misspoken and misjudged the situation to make such a statement in public. Given the sentimentality, given the public sort of sentiment when it comes to Chhatrapati Shivaji.
No. One individual did it. As not a party doing it. But I have to put it on record. This business of putting up the picture of Tipu Sultan, this business of trying to polarize anything Tipu Sultan again, Owaisi is obviously doing it to polarize elections, particularly in Assam and West Bengal. So Owaisi is helping the BJP, and the BJP will latch on to this. Why would you put on a picture like this in? Why would a Malegaon mayor, deputy mayor, or whoever she is, put up the picture like this? What is this rubbish? You already had that one. Sorry for my language. Girl's Chichora father saying that we will paint Mumra green. What is going on? Is this some kind of what? I mean, Devendra Fadnavis ji should act against this. What is going on?
All right, Waris Pathan, by contrasting Tipu Sultan with Veer Savarkar, dragging in that comparison, the AIMIM widening the entire controversy beyond Maharashtra.
Gargi, Tipu Sultan fought against the Britishers. He was martyred fighting against the Britishers. And when he died, on his finger there was a ring on which Ramji's name was written. Now, if you go and see the Constitution, original Constitution, 1950, page number 144, you will find the picture of Tipu Sultan alongside Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai. So what problem do this BJP or the RSS have with Tipu Sultan? They hate him because he fought against the Britishers, because they love those people who bootlicked the Britishers. Savarkar wrote 6 mercy petitions from jail. And they worship him. Nathuram Godse, who killed the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, they worship him, they like him. They don't like a person.
I take strong objection to this absurdity.
Allow me to make my point.
I will come back to you, R.P. Singh. Yes, I will come back to you. Let him make the point.
Someone to just
Well, Gargi,
all this
this is not
crap
a
on your
proper way to-
television channel.
He was making his point. I was very quiet.
Do you know?
Yes, RP Singh, I was going to come back to you to
APJ
counter what he was
Abdul
saying.
Kalam,
Yes.
He praised Tipu Sultan,
You
the
heard
missile
about
man.
Baba
He praised
Jalasia?
Tipu
He is
Sultan,
part of
not only him.
Congress party.
Mahatma
Was
Gandhi,
temple from
he praised
Islam
Tipu
March.
Sultan. They don't love, they love APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. Now let them say that they don't even love Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi said about Tipu Sultan, but these people, they just want to spread hatred. They just want to see to it, they polarize the situation. And now, just now, Tehseen was saying that, what about the girl who spoke about Mumra and all? Tehseen, not only Mumra, not only Maharashtra, but inshallah, one day will come when the entire country will see green. Our flag color is green. Our party's flag color is green. What problem do you have?
All right, we'll come back to you again, Tehseen. I want to get Geeta Bhatt in here. She hasn't had a chance to speak. Geeta Bhatt, this constant dragging in of historical figures. Yes, the Congress, we've only heard it from one Congress person there in Maharashtra. Other people may not hold the same view. But again, getting involved in this entire controversy, a case also being filed. Should history be left to historians to discuss and not drag all this into the realm of politics and electoral politics?
Gargi, it is actually, if you look at how it is that almost every now and then Congress leaders somehow they find an opportunity to flare communal politics and to create controversies where none is required. In Maharashtra, and please let us remember that it is none other than the president of the state, state president of Congress party, who has given this statement. In
Yes.
Maharashtra, where there's such, your tall leaders, such tall figures who can be, represented, quoted. What was the need of making a comparison between, someone like Tipu Sultan, who is best known for his bigotry and massacring of Hindus? More time and again, there are people like, from All India MIM. Now, All India MIM is a party which is representing Muslims, that the name of the party itself, makes it very clear. But why is it that making a comparison with a visionary leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, someone who, after a long, time in the medieval history, we saw that there was the leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who talked about, Hind Swaraj, who talked about self-rule and established it also. So this was actually not required, and what is strange is that none of the political leadership from Congress party has come and denounced this statement. So does it mean that the Congress leadership stands with what Mr. Sapkal has said in terms of making a comparison between Tipu Sultan and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? These are some of the questions. It looks like one is not able to understand that how hurting sentiments of not only just people of Maharashtra but across the country.
Well, Mr. Sapkal also came out and said that his remarks had been twisted and saying that, I'm ready for a discussion, and saying that, the Fadnavis is only interested in Hindu-Muslim issues, silent on other issues like farmers' issues, agriculture. But yes, RP Singh, you wanted to respond to Waris Pathan. Go ahead.
So RP
Mr. Waris Pathan is not aware.
Petitions were written by Savarkar or no, from jail. From jail, did he not give mercy petitions? माफीनामे पे माफीनामे कौन लिख रहा था जेल से, जरा बताओ ना सबको.
All right, Geeta Bhatt, just a moment, Professor Geeta Bhatt, let me... Pathan, let RP Singh respond to what you're saying. Yes, RP Singh, go ahead.
He interrupted me when I was making my point.
वारिस पठान कभी काले पानी गया कर देखा है? कभी काले पानी के बारे में सोच भी नहीं सकते आप लोग. Think of what went through.
आपने सजा काटी, आरपी सिंह बताओ आप.
बोलने से पहले 10 बार सोचा करो. पहले 2 लाइफ टाइम मेरे थे. आपको एक दिन जेल काटना पड़े, नानी याद आ जाएगी आपको अपनी. परंतु let me tell you about Tipu Sultan. He wrote a letter to Badrul Salman Khan, and he said he has converted 4 lakh people. He has said he has converted 4 lakh people to Islam, 4 lakh Hindus. And not only that, he was
what you are talking. अरे you सरदार पटेल ने साइन किया है. संविधान का जो कॉपी है वो सरदार पटेल की साइन है. महात्मा गांधी से बड़े आप हो गए. एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम से आप ज्यादा बड़े आप हो गए. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad ne kaha.
Let me get in Tehseen here. And Tehseen, so, I think we're all agree that when invoking historical leaders that, the Congress also should have some sort of sensitivity? What is the need again to, drag in Tipu Sultan in Maharashtra politics?
See, again, let me say two things. There may be kings across this length and breadth of this magnificent country who are valorous kings. And sure, of course, Tipu Sultan did fight the British. But when you compare Tipu Sultan and my Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ended the Mughal rule and established his empire across the country, the Maratha Empire. Tipu Sultan inherited Hyder Ali's kingdom and lost it. Yes, he was martyred. So you can't compare the two. He may be a brave king, but end of the day, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is another level. Second thing, we have to understand one thing. The current issues of the nation needs to be discussed. When we get into these issues, the BJP is not put on the mat. It is important to throw BJP out of government. This is a party that hasn't spoken in Lok Sabha about the issues that are plaguing our country. So we have to. So don't fall into this trap of arguing with the BJP, because the BJP will beat us on this track. We have to talk on current issues. US trade deal, Bangladesh. These are the issues. Jobs.
Right, and instead of dragging in an 18th century ruler, and obviously it was of different times, it was a time of great brutality and regional, power trying to expand your kingdom. But Geeta Bhatt, again, it's issues that, why do we go back into these debates again and again? And this comes a day after a man has died in Mulund, in Mumbai, when a metro slab fell on his head. I mean, imagine we're talking about all these issues when the common man is facing issues like this and just trying to live his life.
Well, we see that, in Maharashtra, there is a deputy mayor who decided to put the picture of Tipu Sultan in the office and, sing praises of his rule and trying to justify that why it has been put there. These kind of things, this is, people, when they are being elected to an office, it is expected that they are there for good governance.
All right.
Instead of that, there is
make a point, please, before you close.
I'm running out of time. I want to get in. Yes, RP Singh, make your point, your closing comments.
Well, let's try to understand. There was a king named Maharaja Ranjit Singh. In his Raj, during his kingdom, he gave gold to Varanasi and gave gold to Golden Temple and gave gold to one of the masjid in the
Again, I'm not sure, shouldn't these topics be left for historians rather than cherry picking certain things and, talking about them? Waris Pathan again, why drag this entire issue? And now you've, open it up to Savarkar also. So from Tipu Sultan, Chhatrapati, and we've gone to Savarkar. Why, drag all these issues in?
Who is dragging? The BJP is trying to divert the mind of the nation from the basic issues, the main issues. They have totally lost from the priorities, Gargi. The priorities today should have been the Epstein file. Now the entire media is about
They
have totally lost the Epstein files. What about Epstein file? Hardeep Puri. Hardeep Puri ka naam hai, Modi ka naam hai, Anil Ambani ka naam hai. What about the Epstein files? Why don't you talk about that?
We're not talking about the Epstein files at all.
आप टीपू सुल्तान को हीरो बनाएंगे, देश का ये अलाउ नहीं करेंगे हम लोग.
अरे हीरो तो संविधान में फोटो है उसका. हीरो क्या संविधान में फोटो है?
But I agree that we don't need to keep debating all, these historical events that have taken place, historical leaders. Respect sensitivities. Tehseen, yes, final word to you. Go ahead.
The enemies of the Hindu youngsters and the Muslim youngsters are the same. Lack of opportunity, Nepo kids getting everything, bad crumbling infrastructure where somebody traveling in a rickshaw is dying or pothole is dying. Those are the issues. The issues are not what happened in the past. If the opposition is serious about throwing out BJP, which we should, then focus on the current issues. I cannot be more assertive about this, and don't fall to the BJP, to the MIM's polarizing politics. They are
all right, well, we'll have to leave it there. Thank you so much, RP Singh, Geeta Bhatt, Waris Pathan and Tehseen Poonawalla for joining us.